Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to program your Spektrum cable box. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is turn on your cable box, so ensure that it's powered on and connected to your TV. Then you want to position the remote, so point your Spektrum remote directly at the cable box, maintaining a close distance. Then from here we need to enter programming mode. So you want to press and hold the cable, CBL and OK select button simultaneously. Continue holding those buttons until LED light turns on, then release both buttons. Then we need to input the programming code, and then we need to enter the code 991 using the remote's number pad. The CBL button's LED light should blink twice, indicating the remote is ready to be programmed. Then we need to test the remote, so press the power button on the remote. If the cable box turns off, the programming was successful. Now, if the above what I've said doesn't work, you might need a specific code for your cable box model. So you can come to this website here, universalremotecode.org, find the Spectral cable box remote codes. So come over here for more detailed information about that.